Leo? Yeah.
It's kind of ironic that I follow Mr. Brown here this morning, who's speaking to you about an issue I've been speaking to you about in various forms for over 2 years now. As you know, I delivered a request to this board and to Mr. Austin specifically, let's see, I believe 3 weeks ago. There was no response. I wrote a letter to Mr. Austin. There was no response. So on Friday, as you know, I took the next step, as I told you I would in my letter, and brought the issue before the prosecuting attorney. I'm not going to go through the content of that letter in any great detail, but rest assured that if I do not get a response from the prosecuting attorney, then we will move to the next step of escalation. I would very much like to get this matter resolved at the lowest level possible, particularly in light of the absolute budget crisis train wreck this county faces. If I can't, that's not my problem, it's your problem. And by the way, Commissioner Sullivan and Commissioner Johnson, you need to consult the UDC, your codes and ordinances, and see what the penalties are for those who assist in the violation of the Unified Development Code. It will be of great interest to you. When your citizen, Mr. Brown, comes up here and makes a sincere plea to you that you do something that you do not have the legal authority to do, and you sit there like the spring-loaded dog in the back of the window, nodding your head, that is a disservice to your community. It's a violation of your oath of office. It constitutes misfeasance and malfeasance under the revised Code of Washington, and it's not going to be stood for. Since my very first unsavory experience in Jefferson County in a little case called Reynolds versus Jefferson County, in which this Board of County Commissioners acted totally off the reservation with regard to a private project permit, and the court ordered that the permit be issued because this county's behavior was so shocking. I remain committed to the notion that you gentlemen were not deified, you were not canonized, you were not coronated, you were elected. And you took an oath, just like I take an oath, to implement and be supportive of the laws of this state and its Constitution. And I will stay on this issue until you do. I would hope that a simple, I misspoke, or I may be wrong, I'll check it out, or you're wrong, Mr. Tracy, and here's why, would be a perfectly appropriate way to resolve this. But if it can't happen that way, it'll happen the hard way. Thank you.